a narrator which is mentioned in the Sahih Sittah, the 6 books of hadith, Baqi bin Makhlad, rahmatullah alayhi. People are not familiar with his name because we don't read about our elders, sadly. He traveled all the way from Spain, modern day Spain, to Iraq. And he crossed these oceans, he went in the deserts. Why? For one reason, to seek knowledge. So when he went to Iraq, he asked, where is Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal? And they said, Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal can't teach right now, he's under house arrest. He goes to the local masjid, the sheikh is giving a lecture on hadith. He says to him, what do you think about Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal? And the sheikh said, there is no one on this earth more knowledgeable than Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. So his passion is growing still. He said, I need to study with him somehow. They said, there's no point. He's under arrest, there's guards outside his house. So he goes to Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal's house, he knocks on the door. And Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal comes out and he says, yes, how can I help you? He said, oh Imam, I've traveled from very, very far. Where have you come from? Have you come from Africa? No, I've come from beyond that, all the way Spain, Europe, just to study from you. And Imam Sahib said, I admire your travel, your journey, but I can't teach. I'm under house arrest, I can't leave my house. And listen to this very intelligent student of knowledge, his reply. He said, oh Imam, I've got a plan. What I'll do, I'll dress as a beggar, torn clothes, rough clothes. I'll come and just like beggars say, give me some money, may Allah reward you. I'll come and ask like a beggar does. All you have to do is open the door, teach me one hadith, then I'll move on. Allah. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal says, okay, that's possible. So Baqi bin Makhlad rahmatullahi alayhi, he comes every day and he's there, give me money, rahimakallah, may Allah be merciful to you. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal opens the door, stands to the side, teaches him one hadith, he writes it down, he had a paper hidden in his sleeve, writes it down, goes away, memorizes it. And this continues until he memorized 300 ahadith of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then alhamdulillah, the house arrest was lifted. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal is back in the masjid. Thousands of students coming from across the world, but one special student is sitting next to Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. The very same Baqi bin Makhlad, who put his life on the line, who traveled all the way from Spain to Iraq, he's sitting next to, special seat reserved for him. And one day he didn't come to class, and Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal said, where is he? Where's Baqi? He said, he's fallen ill. So Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal leaves his seat, goes to Baqi bin Makhlad, and he did dua for Baqi bin Makhlad rahmatullah alayhi. And this is the same person whose ahadith, the narrations that he narrated, are found in the 6 books, the main Sahih books of hadith. Now if he didn't leave his home, if he didn't travel one continent to another continent, put his life on the line, all that difficulty, Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal's under house arrest, go to his house, dressed as a beggar, then how would those hadiths have reached us today?